weeks. Just long enough for me to find out he was a douchebag.
How'd you guys meet?
I'm a student at the architectural college. Help out the library, archives, backwards, About a month ago, Bobby comes in looking for some plans. Says he's an engineer and needs a job too. Architectural event. So they can come like that.
Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Kiss mama.
They can't talk.
Kiss mama. Juben. Juben. Lapit mo dito.
It's supposed to be dry.
Kiss mama, kiss.
I come this way, right? Sit right there. Sound like a jackal. Yeah.
Ay, panos.
Right. I need to put the city plans in the reserve. Construction something's missing. If the whole will stand by, let them know what's in the documentation. Ready?
Love you. Sakit mata? Ay, si Dagon. Kiss pa.
Get this.
Oh. Kiss pa. Love you.
Dito na, Papa. Dito na, Papa.
She checks out.
Bakit mo?
Let me see if it's in this. She's ready.
Nakahiga na doon ulit. Higa na doon.
Higa na doon. Kami higa na doon. Pahiga na ulit. Pahiga na doon.
Same woman that made it.
Pahiga na doon. Pahiga mo ulit.